everybody. I'm Carolyn Bertozzi, and I just received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for 2022. Can you believe it? Together with my students and my postdoctoral fellows who work in my lab, we invented a kind of chemistry that we call bioorthogonal chemistry. What is it? It's a chemistry that allows two molecules to come together and form a bond even when they're surrounded by all the stuff that you would find in human cells and even in the human body. And that's a pretty tough place to do chemistry. But bioorthogonal chemistry allows us to do this. And as a consequence, we can do all kinds of interesting things that are of benefit for human health. We can make new medicines, we can target medicines to the right tissues, and we can see biological molecules in living organisms for the first time. Done. All right. Mic drop. Yeah, right.